Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something really exciting to share with you, especially if you run a website, work with clients, or manage leads online. I've been testing out a new tool called Agentic AI, and honestly, it's one of the most powerful AI chatbot builders I've seen in a while. Agentic AI lets you create fully customizable chatbots that don't just answer questions, they actually engage your visitors. You can embed these bots directly onto your website, and they can talk to your users via text or even voice conversations. That's right, real-time voice responses with natural-sounding AI voices. You can even clone your own voice if you want your bot to sound exactly like you. The setup process is super intuitive. You can choose from dozens of pre-built templates based on different industries, or start from scratch and create a bot tailored to your brand. Add a custom avatar, select a voice, adjust animations, and even connect it to your email autoresponders, like MailChimp, GetResponse, or ActiveCampaign. It's all built in. One of my favorite features is the Superbot, where you can combine multiple bots into a single, smarter assistant. Great if you serve different audiences or offer multiple services. And if you're working with clients, Agentic AI has full CRM tools, live chat handover, team collaboration, and even white label options, so you can offer this as a service under your own brand. Whether you're a coach, consultant, agency, or just someone who wants to automate customer interaction in a smart way, this tool is a game changer. It's simple to use, packed with features, and just works. If you want to learn more about Agentic AI, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.